I'm Kaylyn from Portland Parks and Recreation, and today I'm going to share how to hold your child in the water. The first holding position I'm going to share is the dancer position. They go on your hip just like this, as if you were dancing. This is the most natural and familiar holding position for parents. This allows for them to see you and interact while splashing and blowing bubbles. The second holding position I'm going to share with you is called face to face. You're going to hold them under the armpits and hold them face to face with you. This allows them to see you while you blow bubbles and do fun skills, and it also allows them to kick in an easy prone position. Often you'll see their natural kicks come out here. The third position I'm going to show is called cheek to cheek. This is good for practicing back floats. When positioning your child, flip them towards the ceiling and support their head against your shoulder so that you are cheek to cheek. This will allow for them to practice their kicks in an upward position, but be careful because they can grab your hair and face very easily this way. When lifting your child in and out of the water, here in Portland Parks, we like to practice the fingertip rule. When your child is facing away from you, wrap your hands around their chest. Your hands serve as a reminder so that when you lift and lower your child, you know that the water is getting close to their mouth. Just a reminder, we do not teach forced immersion for our parent-child classes in Portland Parks and Recreation. Thank you for watching, and check out more information on portlandparks.org.